Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change country on Android. So first of all, go for your settings app. Then search for your any region or country option here. Or otherwise just search here country. If you can't see like this your current country, you can change your current country from here. You can see you can change it from here. If I go for my country, so now you can change like this your country. Another way, search for here region. You can see region, here it is. Then go for it and you can set it from here also. You can set your country from here. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This is how you can change your country on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.